Today I'll be showing you my mounted wall mirror. I'm going to go ahead and unbox it and show you what is included. As you can see, the instructions are right here. Very simple to install, and everything that you need is actually included in your box. Let me go ahead and show you. So in your box, you will receive a Ziploc bag. This has the screws, the charging cable, and also a small microfiber cloth to go ahead and clean your mirror. So let me go ahead and show you the microfiber cloth. You get your charger. This is a USB to Type-C charger. And you also get your screws to go ahead and screw the mirror onto the wall. So let me go ahead and take this beautiful mirror out. As you can see, it does have an LED light right here. It does have 3 color options. So it has cool, natural, and warm light. And all you have to do is simply tap on the button like that. Take a look, just like this. Tap to turn it on and off. On your mirror, it does have a P and an N. So the P is going to adjust the mirror's brightness. So I'm going to hold down the P. And you want to make sure you give it a long press. As you can see, it is currently off. And if you press it down, it's going to go ahead and brighten the mirror. And then the N on the mirror right here, I'm going to show you, has an N, a power, and a P. The N is going to change the mode. So if you wanted cool light, natural light, or warm light, you simply give it a short press and it'll change that. So what you want to do with your mirror is simply find a location where you're going to put it, and this part is actually going to go against the wall. The great thing is that it does have a swivel motion, so you could go ahead and fully pull the mirror all the way out to see yourself. So you can't adjust the mirror. The great thing also about this mirror is that it does twirl around. It has a magnification side, so you could go ahead and see yourself a lot closer on the magnified side. Take a look. So that is the normal side, and the other side is the magnification side. So overall, I would definitely recommend. The quality is amazing. All I have to do now is find a location to put my mirror in, but I absolutely love it. It does extend. As you could see, take a look once it's on the wall, and then simply bend it back once you are done with it. But overall, if you're looking for a nice wall mirror, and I love this one because it does have an LED light and you're able to adjust the modes, but overall, I would definitely recommend 10 out of 10.